Welcome to Real World AIP. I'm Stacey, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make toasty milk, butter, and flour out of coconuts. Either use your own dried flake coconut that you made from fresh or buy the unsweetened dried flake. Let's get started. You could do all of these things with this just as it is plain, but I'm going to toast it first and just bring it to a whole other level of amazingness. So to toast it, you got to keep a close eye on it because it's easy to burn. Basically gonna put it on a cookie sheet like so. I'm gonna do it at 450 degrees. That is exactly what you're going for. Definitely not more and no less. That is perfect. That took exactly 5 minutes from cold oven to whatever because I didn't preheat it. I'm gonna show you how to make toasted coconut butter. Or manna, you know, this stuff that you buy. You can make your own and you can make it toasted. All you need is a, Ninja or a NutriBullet or one of those high-speed blending things. And you don't actually have to measure this. You basically just put some in here, don't fill it all the way up, need a little room. I'm just gonna make a little bit because I can't even handle this. It tastes way too good. I'm gonna put a little coconut oil. I'm going to make it even easier by using liquid coconut oil, but you could put regular. And I'll just put like, I don't know, a tablespoon. And a touch of sea salt. I'd say that was like a quarter of a teaspoon. You basically blend it until it's butter, like peanut butter, or almond butter. That's how they make it. When things stop moving and it's all stuck like that, then this is where some of the manual labor comes in. You gotta break it up. It's just gonna sit in that one spot stuck and the blades are never gonna reach it. So just mix it up. That smells divine. Wow. You can see it turning to coconut butter. It looks like peanut butter, doesn't it? Oh my goodness, do you see that? For the record, I will probably never buy plain coconut butter again. And maybe it's been too long since I had peanut butter, but this tastes like freaking peanut butter. This would make a really good, like, Asian style stir fry sauce. So last thing I'm gonna make with my toasted dehydrated coconut, 2 cups of dried unsweetened coconut flake. I'm gonna add that. We're gonna boil that right along with the water. 2 3/4 cups. Right in there. Looks like that, and we're just gonna bring that to a boil. Remove it from the heat and cover it. And let it sit for 1 hour. So our coconut's been sitting for an hour in the water. You don't want to fill this thing all the way when you're processing hot liquid. You don't have to puree it quite as long if you use one of the high-powered ones. If you use a regular old blender, you're probably going to want to go a few minutes. My trusty nut milk bag. Now this is really hot, so I'm just going to let it hang until it's cool enough that I can squeeze the milk out. And just keep going until you have as much out as humanly possible. I got 2 cups. To make the flour, you take these leftovers from making the milk. So you spread these out on your dehydrator, dehydrate it, and then grind it in your coffee grinder. Boom, you have coconut flour, toasted coconut flour. So I hope you found this video useful. If so, subscribe below. I post new videos every Thursday, often some shorter, more laid back videos on Sundays. Either way, I hope to see you soon, and until then, be healthy.